Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. So here we have our chain that we made using slip stitches in the second video of this series. So now we're going to loop our yarn over the hook. We're going to find our stitch. I want to go into that one. I'm going to poke the hook through that stitch. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through the first loop, so we still have 3 loops on the hook. And I'm going to wrap the yarn again and pull it through all 3 of the hooks. So one more time, loop the yarn over the hook, I'm going to poke it through the stitch, loop it again, pull it through the first loop, loop it again, pull it through the last 3 loops. Again, that's loop it over, we can find our stitch, poke it through the stitch, so we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to loop the yarn over, pull it through 1 loop, loop it over again, pull it through all 3 loops. One last time, loop it over, find our stitch there, poke it through the stitch, we have 3 loops, loop it over, pull it through 1 loop, so we still have 3 loops, loop it over again, and pull it through all 3 loops.